Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you enjoy these videos, don't forget to subscribe. I share content that's easy to follow and worth your time. Let's get started.
Local folders in Mozilla Thunderbird are storage areas located directly on your computer's hard drive rather than on your email provider's server. When you use a standard IMAP account, your emails stay on the internet so you can see them on your phone or tablet. Local folders work differently because they exist only on your specific PC or Mac. You should use them if you are running out of storage space on services like Gmail or Outlook. Moving old messages to local folders deletes them from the server but keeps them safe on your machine. This frees up your inbox without losing important history. You should also use them for better privacy since those emails are no longer sitting in the cloud where companies can scan them. Another reason to use them is for long-term archiving. If you ever close an email account, moving your messages to local folders ensures you do not lose your data. However, there is a catch you must remember. Because these files stay on your hard drive, you cannot access them from your mobile phone or another computer. If your computer crashes and you do not have a backup, those emails are gone forever. You should use local folders if you want total control over your data and need to manage large amounts of mail. They are perfect for people who want a clean inbox and a permanent record of their digital life. Just make sure you back up your Thunderbird profile regularly to an external drive or cloud service to keep everything safe and sound.
Thanks so much for watching. If you liked the video, tap the thumbs up, hit subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss anything new. See you next time.